Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Indeed job alerts with LinkedIn cross-application workflow step by step clearly. To activate Indeed job alerts using LinkedIn cross-application workflow, begin by opening the Indeed website in your preferred browser. Sign into your Indeed account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to the job alerts section, typically found in your profile menu. Click on Create Job Alert to start the process of setting up your alerts. Enter the job title, keywords, or company name you are interested in. Specify the location where you want to find jobs. Choose the frequency of the alerts you wish to receive, such as daily or weekly. Remember to review any additional filters that you might want to apply, like salary or job type. Once you have configured the settings to your preferences, click on the Activate Alert button. Next, open your LinkedIn account in a separate tab or window. Navigate to the Jobs section of your LinkedIn profile. Look for job listings that match your search criteria and select one of interest. On the job listing page, click on the Easy Apply button if available. Complete any required fields in the application pop-up that appears. Before finalizing your application, check for an option saying Send Alerts or Share Job Alerts. Enable this option to allow LinkedIn to send job alerts based on your interaction and applications. Return to Indeed and check that your job alert is confirmed and active. Monitor your email notifications to ensure alerts are being received as expected. Adjust your settings on either platform if you find that the alerts need fine-tuning. Now you are set up to receive job alerts from Indeed while integrating LinkedIn's features to streamline your job search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.